Welcome to the studio here in Paris. We're talking about the importance of digitalisation in the green transition. Welcome, Signe.
Thank you.
What is the value of data in the green transition?
I think speaking as a system operator, we need all the flexibility that we can get from all sources in the society. That comes from the consumption and production. And I think data is vital to set that flexibility free. But to do that, we need new business models in the market.
So what is the role of the TSOs in facilitating this access to data?
I think the data, the value of the data often goes beyond the keeper and the owner of the data. So we need someone to actually make an effort to set the data free. And as Energinet, we have taken a deliberate effort to set the data free and worked with the setting free data initiatives since 2014.
How can personal and production data be of increased value to TSOs?
It has a huge value.
Yeah.
It has value for our system operation, for our markets and our grid planning. As an example, in our ancillary service markets, we make micro forecasts on wind turbines, making sure that we actually get the deliveries of ancillary services that we need. Also, we can develop our market, being able to actually have capacity reserves from renewables in the future. Something that is actually very important for the TSO, since we don't have the flexibility from power plants in the future.
So innovation and flexibilities are key to this transition.
It is key, and what we are looking into now is we made a small-scale innovation platform where we actually invite market parties, technology providers and other business model providers to develop these business models together with us. We have the value for the system, for the energy system, and they get the value of having sustainable business models in their markets.
What are some of the challenges TSOs are facing?
In the first phase of the green transition, the challenge from a TSO point of view was to provide access to the infrastructure and the markets. I think in the second phase, the vital challenge will be to create access to the infrastructure. And that is the task for the regulated entities as the TSOs and the DSOs.
In the next 3 to 5 years, what do you think are the changes that are going to really change the landscape?
I think the changes is when it comes to the business models that we need to see. As a TSO, we used to be dependent on having very flexible power plants. We don't have that anymore. So now we are really dependent on the innovation in the market, and we have to set market knowledge, data free in order for that innovation to happen.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Be sure to subscribe to our channels for more industry-related content.